Morning everyone. In our previous class, we did the revision on chapter number 11, that is reflection of light. So similarly, today we will be doing the revision on the next chapter, that is chapter number 12, study of sound. Okay, so chapter number 11, we will be first revising the points, okay, main points, and then I'll be giving you the questions. Okay, so let's start. In this chapter, study of sound, we studied that sound is formed, okay, with different waves. We studied different waves, that is longitudinal waves, transverse waves, okay. And then we also studied that there is medium necessary for propagation of sound, okay. So sound waves give rise to chain of compression and rarefaction in the medium. So what is medium? Medium can be solid, liquid, or gaseous. In the explanation part, I had already explained you the three different types of medium by giving the examples, okay. Then sound is produced by vibration, okay. The characteristics of sound: wavelength, which we represent by lambda, then time period, pitch, frequency, amplitude, loudness, and intensity. So these are the characteristics of sound, okay. Then speed of propagation, the formula is v, that is velocity, is equal to frequency into wavelength, that is v is equal to nu into lambda, okay. Then in frequency we studied different types of sound, that is infrasound, audible sound, and ultrasound. Infrasound is below 20 hertz. Then audible sound ranges between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. And then ultrasound is beyond 20,000 hertz. Then next thing we studied in sound is of echo. Echo is nothing but repetition of sound. Then we studied about reverberation. So reverberation is again repetition of sound, but it will be multiple times, okay. It causes because of jumbled sound or prolonged sound. Then reduces by using sound absorbing material in roofs, walls, etc., okay. Then we studied about sonar. Sonar is sound navigation and ranging. This technique is helped to detect mostly in the submarine and the whatever you have to find out from underground if there are any obstacles, okay. So it is used for that purpose, okay. It is also used to determine the depth of the sea, okay. Then we studied about the human ear. In human ear we studied about three different ears, that is outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear, okay. Outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Now in outer ear we have studied that it is ear pinna, okay. Ear pinna is the part of outer ear. Then in middle ear we have the part, there is a thin membrane, okay, or cavity of the middle ear. It is called as eardrum, okay. And then the inner ear where all the nerves, auditory nerves, it connects to the brain and cochlea and all that part in inner ear, okay. With this we studied the entire chapter, we revised the entire chapter. Now I'll be giving you all the question answers, not question answers, sorry, the questions, revision questions, okay. So kindly be ready to write the revision questions and see that you solve it sincerely. Okay, so let's start. So we'll start first with question number 1, that will be fill in the blank. Okay, first one, the amplitude of sound wave determines its dash, okay. Then second one, a man should use a man should use dash materials to reduce reverberation in a room. Okay, then question 2, name the part of ear which has funnel like shape. Next, question 3, give scientific reasons. In that first question is, why cannot we hear the echo produced in a classroom? Second one, in a closed room, we get more repetition, we get more repetition of sound. The next question 4, what do you mean by what do you mean by sonar? Explain by drawing proper diagram. Okay, so this is all for today. Okay, the revision on chapter number 12. Okay, so solve it sincerely. Thank you and have a nice day.